Hey, thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry again, or for the first time. Check it out, you guys. Look at that view. What an amazing shot that is. So we're up here on the mountains for the weekend with the family camping, and I have to show you guys. This is the Kemimoto X3 center seat bag, and you know what? I can't wait to get this thing installed and try it out. It's supposed to install super easy. You pull the, I think it's the cover for where the turbo cover is between the seats. And then it's just got two super easy attachments there. You can see right there that goes onto that cover and should stay right in place. So hang out with me for a minute. I'm going to get this thing installed. I'm going to show you how to install it. I'm doing it for the first time, so you're going to see me mess it up if I do. Can't be that hard. But anyway, shout out Kemimoto. They've been a good supporter of the channel, so I am going to show you guys this bag and tell you what I think of it. So check it out. All right, so we are in the back of the four-seater here, and this is the cover that just pops out for the turbo. Man, that's dirty. I need to clean that up. So there's the cover for the turbo, and here is the center seat console. I am going to snap the top of this over the top of the cover, just like that, kind of center it. And then on the bottom here, I'm going to pull it down and over, just like that. Snap that into place. It's all hooked up on the cover. Now we're going to slide it right back down into position right here. And maybe, let's go. And there, snapped into place. All right. Check it out. It's a hard cover, so it make it super easy to put glasses or goggles, things like that in there. The zippers are super easy. The front folds down, and hey, look, there's instructions. So the front folds down. There is a pocket in the front right here, pocket in the back, and slides down in there pretty deep. Let's see what we can shove in there. What have we got up here that we can put in there? Oh, look, there's some goggles. We can drop some goggles down in there. We can drop a water bottle in there. Water bottle fits nicely. Goggles fit in there nicely. You can put some loose stuff in here. Anyway, you guys, super easy to install and add some great storage to that center seat section of either a 4-door or between the front seats of a 2-door. Same application. So anyway, you guys, I'll drop a link to this Kemimoto center seat bag for the X3 down below. Go check it out. I can't wait to put this thing to good use. I like it. I like that it's a hard case and it's not gonna flop around. I liked how easy it was to install. So anyway, that's it, you guys. Thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry. Like if you do, subscribe if you haven't, and if you're on an X3, go snag one of those Kemimoto bags. I think you'll like it too. We'll check you on the next one.